Um, I guess I'm not okay. Pretty sure. Whoa. Oh, I really want to do this video because people question me on what I meant by 2.5 belts. So I kind of put my belts on just so you guys. Okay. Okay. As you can see, there's one belt right here. There's another belt here, and there's a chain. Oh. Oh, that. This one is the side, right? And chain goes to tree. Yep. So now I'm probably gonna take 30 minutes taking the belts off. Don't steal my style. That's my style. I'm the only person who does that. 'Cause I'm crazy and weird and I need to learn how to stop moving the left camera. Sorry. Ooh, look at my hair. It's all staticky. I'm on drugs. I need to lay off. Wait, listen to an awesome hair routine. Ah! I dropped the straightener. Wow. This is. I don't know what my hair looks like when I flip it. I'm gonna keep my hair like this for the rest of the day. I'm not even kidding. I look like I'm on drugs. Ah, it's Thursday. But, I love you all. Pedophile Lakes kids. That means a lot. Ready? Mwah, 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 mwah. Ah. I should be using my webcam. Look, I got my laptop back. Whoa. The webcam's on the bed, but see if I see webcam. Whoa. She's my other group. Oh, Breezy! Look, Breezy bags. Whoa. There's actually, oh, yep, there's some in there. Well, bye, loves.